Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just showing you a happy mail from a Julie Nutting tag swap that we did with Donna's Powered by Creativity. She has the website and it was her tag swap idea that we did together, and we all exchanged tags, and we could make our Julie Nutting doll anywhere, any way we wanted to on the tags, and then give them to Donna, and Donna would exchange us among us. So if you want to see all the tags that were part of this swap, go to Donna Powered by Creativity, her YouTube channel, and it's called the Julie Nutting doll swap, tag swap. And you'll see that video there. So this is my tag that I received, and look at it. Oh my goodness gracious, she did a good job. Look at it, it's all shiny and glittery, and I love a little glitter, all shiny and glittery for the berries. And her dress has this nice berry-like trim on it, a nice bow on it. It's on this heavy piece of cardstock. And the doll is just gorgeous. I love the red dress. Red's one of my favorite. My colors are red and black that I love the best. She has her little basket. She has her bow. It says "Very Sweet" and the gingham in the back and the nice ribbon. And this tag was it's for the Julie Nutting doll tag swap, May 2020, and it's from Beth Kalbach. Kalbach. I'm thinking I said it right. And her YouTube channel is Beth Kalbach. So you can go check out Beth on her channel. I should have let me write her name down so you can see who she is. You can go to her YouTube channel. And see some of her work. Her work is just, some of her things are just great. Her name is Beth, Kalbach. Okay, that's who made the doll for me. That's her YouTube channel, and that's who made the doll. And that's her Instagram also. That's her YouTube channel and her Instagram. So go to Beth's YouTube channel and look at some of her work. Subscribe to her. She does a great job. This tag is beautiful, and I just want to say thank you, Beth. I just love it, and I'm going to make a book to put all my tags in, and I'll cherish this. Thank you so very much. Thank you, Donna, for having the tag swap, and I'll see you all in the next video. Comment below and let me know what you think about the tag. If you want to get involved in the tag swap that we're doing across, and you have your own Julie Nutting dolls, go to Donna Powered by Creativity here on YouTube, and you can join the Year of Julie Nutting doll tag swaps. So thank you again, and thank you once again, Beth. This doll is just lovely, and I just love her. Thank you very much. Bye, everyone, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Likes are so appreciated. Also, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.